Hey everyone! In today's video, I've got something super exciting to share, especially for all of you Baseball 9 fans out there. I'm going to show you a powerful hack that gives you access to some incredible features, like unlimited gems, coins, recruit tickets, and so much more. Honestly, this is a total game changer if you're looking to take your Baseball 9 experience to the next level. Take a look at my phone. You can see right away that this hack actually works, and it's been a total game changer for me. No tricks, no gimmicks, just a straightforward method that really delivers. One of the best parts about this hack is that it works on both iOS and Android devices. So no matter what kind of phone or tablet you're using, you'll be able to follow along and unlock these awesome features for yourself. Plus, the process is super simple. No complicated steps, no technical skills required. All you need to do is watch this video all the way through and follow every step exactly as I show it. Don't skip any parts or rush ahead, because it's important to get each step right for everything to work smoothly. So if you're ready to upgrade your Baseball 9 experience and unlock all these amazing features, grab your phone, sit back, and let's get started. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called pluginelite.com. Plugin Elite is a website where you can find many apps with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Baseball 9 and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.